Survivors, this is girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here with another video, sweetie. So, what's all this glitter? What's all this gold? What's all this glam, sweetie? Today we are reviewing the Manny MUA palette, and as you can tell, I had some fun with this palette, sweetie. So stay tuned for how I got this look. Also, stay tuned for the unboxing of this palette, because girl, I did it on camera for you, sweetie, and my views on this palette are at the end. So stay tuned and stay hooked to your girl Ruriko Yamazaki, because I bring to you Life is a Drag by Manny MUA. Hey survivors, it's your girl Ruriko, and today my darlings, we're back here with another video. If you're not subscribed and you're still here, we go. Thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated, honey bunnies. Is this the first time seeing your girl, seeing my face? Where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed with any of the content that I bring to you, I promise. Without further ado, guys, it is a review, but it's a little bit different, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Woo, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I am so excited. Now, before we get down to the tea, sweetie, this is going to be a review and a demo, guys, on the Luna Beauty. Luna, Manny MUA came out with his palette, sweetie. Life is a Drag. I had to get this, darling. I absolutely had to get this, darling. But a little thing. So you already know that the palette cost $45. Not only did I have to pay $45, but honey bunnies, I had to, overall together it was $60 change to get it over into this country, because as it stands right now, it is not available in the UK yet, but it will be, sweetie. But you know me, I need it right now, so I got it, because you know everybody was talking about it and I wanted it. I wanted to review it, and I love Manny. I love him so much. But as you can see, the box is not, it's a little bit tattered, because what they did was they took out the form, because honeys, it was not paid for properly by the company. Now everybody knows, if you're getting things from overseas, this is something that you need to expect, that sometimes people do not pay the right custom fees for your country, so you might end up getting something over here, paying for shipping, paying for all these good things, which is expensive as it is, darling, because when you're in another country it's going to be expensive. Not only will you pay for all of that, darling, but then you're then left with a hefty bill when it actually comes over here. So what happened was, when it came, I had to pay an extra £17. So all in all, darling, this cost me a grip for this palette. It cost me a lot for this palette, considering I can get something equivalent to this elsewhere for less than I paid. But the problem that I have is, obviously I'm not naive. As I said, you expect these things when you buy from another country, but because I buy a lot of things from America as it is, I looked for it. I looked for, you might get billed extra, we are not responsible for all these things. That's what they normally tell you, but honey, as it goes, that was not on their website. It was missing, it was not there, so I did not expect to pay more when it came. It's not a big deal. I have the coins, it's fine. I am very excited that it's here, but it's just, you know, for the UK babies or anywhere around the world, if you want this palette right now and you do not live in the United States or US of A, you do not live around that area, just bear that in mind, that you will have to pay a lot of money for this palette. But without further ado, guys, as I said, it's a review and a demo, guys. So I actually haven't opened this, guys, but this is what you had to do. It was all like in here, all the paperwork, so he had to just rip it, and this is why it looks a complete mess. But I'm going to show you what I see when I see it. So when you open it, this is what you see. Ooh, nearly dropped it. This is what you see inside. I see something. What is this? I see it. Ooh. So okay, so you get this. Oh my god, this has been going around on Twitter, this has been going around on Instagram, these beautiful babies, these beautiful honeys. So it says Luna Beauty, obviously it has a Manny MUA on it. It says, bring out the queen in you with this beautiful mix of neutral and bright colors that blend effortlessly.
effortlessly.
Girl, honestly. Then it says £14 color palette, and it says cruelty free. We already know on my channel we love cruelty free. We do not need to be hurting any fur babies to get this beautiful makeup. Special thank you to the models, their Instagram names, so that you can at them. Alicia, you know, all these people. It says Luna Beauty, Manny MUA 733, and it says lunabeauty.com. Life is a drag. So that's what it looks like on the other side. All of the colors are broken up so you can see how colorful they are, and the colors just pop. I think that's a very cute little touch. I like that. Yes, darling. And they slayed it. They slayed it. And then, as you can see, there is some bubble wrap. It has Luna Beauty inside, and it has their website at the bottom. And then you're greeted with this beautiful, beautiful paper. Little tissue papers. It's got bees on it, little twinkle twinkles. It's got these really cute little sticker there. And then when you open it, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Do you know what? I didn't think it was this big. So bubble wrap again, because obviously overseas. It's a little bit scratched up, but that's what it looks like. It's quite a big palette. Like it's thick, sweetie. So that's what the front looks like. All that glitter. Sorry about all my lights. You're getting a little bit of flashback there, darling. But that's that. And then on the back, and all the ingredients. And then you have the signature from Manny MUA. And then you have the Luna Beauty. So it says his thing. It says, I dedicated this palette to all my makeup lovers out there. We are all queens. My first experience in the makeup world was in drag, which is why drag has been such an important influence in my life and always will be. I've worked so hard to come up with a beautiful mix of neutral and bright colors that blend effortlessly. I know you'll have fun creating sickening looks with it, as much fun as I had creating it. Thank you all for the constant support. Life's a drag, wouldn't be here without you. And then it just has, you know, his YouTube, the website, the Instagram, all the ingredients. We look out for these things, sweetie. Cruelty free. Oh, I'm feeling it already, and I haven't even opened it. This is very, very cute. The little crown here, you know, this is very, 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 very beautiful. I am feeling it already. We're gonna just open it up. I feel like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. Remember when like the chocolate was so big and it was just like, let me see if I got the gold ticket inside. So I am like, oh, I'm shook. Oh my god, it's so big. I didn't expect it to be so big. Okay, so I was a bit, when it said $45, thinking, $45. But obviously Manny is a big muscular man, so when I saw his video, he made this look so small, but it's big. It is so big. Oh my god, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Oh my days, girls, guys, honey bunnies, baby dolls of the world. Are you seeing this? And it's all rays. You know, I live for some rays. That's so beautiful. Look at that. Take it in. And then on the side, you got this beautiful shimmery gold. The detail is beautiful. Then you got the Luna Beauty there. Oh my days. And then on the back, it's like some Beauty and the Beast thing. Look at this. It's got the little swirly thing. Oh, they did that. They really did. I love the fact that it's got all the Luna Beauty, you know, Instagram. It's very cute. You would think it would look very like too tacky, too much, but it's cute. It's cute because even if you lose the outer casing or you lose the other outer casing, it's actually on the palette, so you'll never forget. Oh, I want to open it so badly. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. Okay, let you guys see it at the same time as me, darling. Sorry, my arm is all like lopsided. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my god, there she is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, and I love it. It's magnetized, darling. A little bit of magnet. But look at this beauty. This is beautiful. Guys, this is really, really beautiful. Oh, I am living. Oh my days. I am so hot. Look, it's got me sweating. It's got me sweating. Oh my god. Then you get this little sticker here. It's quite thick. Normally you get some tiny little thing, but this is very, very thick. They want you to make sure that this does not get damaged. And then this is the palette, guys. I'm gonna go real close so that you can see the detail. Wow. Manny, you did that. This is so beautiful. It says be a queen. All this detail. Oh yes, yes, yes. Be a queen. And then you got this beautiful, beautiful brush, and I'm going to take it out. So this is the brush. Yes, it has their little Lunar Beauty. Then you obviously got the blending side, and then you got the packing side. It's so cute. It's a rose gold. It's so cute. It really does remind me of Beauty and the Beast with all the swirls and stuff like that. Very, very cute. So let's talk about the colors. So we have Cake Face, Sickening, Hunty, Beat, Campy, Pageant Queen, Kiki, Shady, Trade, Mug, Legendary, Kai Kai, Snatched, and Fishy. These are just beautiful. I'm gonna probably fast forward the whole thing because it's not a tutorial, it's a demo. So I'm just gonna probably just fast forward the whole thing so that you can see the end result. Pageant Queen is so lovely and so pigmented. Can you see? Then I'm going to go with the Lunar brush and I'm going to pick up some Kai Kai. And then I'm going to go with some Campy. So this is the look, guys. Oh my days, Lunar Beauty, baby, has got me covered. I really wanted to do colourful. I really wanted to be in your face. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't think this is a dried look. I don't normally go over my lip line, but I thought let me go a little bit over my lip line to give that little ooh. You know what I'm saying? I really enjoying this palette. What can I say? This will be a lovely introduction to makeup for somebody because you got the neutrals, you got the glitter in the middle, and you also got all of these colors. You know, you got your yellows, your purples, your blues, your pinks, sweetie. Everything that you want when you want to have a bold look, when you want to have a neon color look. Only thing I would say is that with Legendary and Beat, they're very soft, very creamy textures, so you don't want to have a harsh brush dig it in there because it will just collapse and you'll pick up way too much product that you need, and you don't need that much. With Legendary, I've never actually used a gold that went on so easy. It was like one stroke and I had all this pigment on my eyes. It was just lovely, explosion of color, very well done, very nice texture. Even though it's soft, you just need to be very aware that it is a very soft texture that they use in this palette. Everything else had a very nice structure, just those two in the middle, very soft, because you know glitter based products are very soft anyway, but this is very soft, like very soft, very soft. So you just gotta be very careful when you're doing that. Just be very aware. But as palettes go, was it worth the coins? I think it was worth the coins. I will be going back to this palette over and over again. I think it was really nice. Does it go into Ruriko's bag of tricks? Yes, it does, sweetie, and thank God it does, because all that money that I spent, I would be very disappointed if I couldn't get the color or the look that I wanted because they weren't pigmented. Actually, Manny's video actually doesn't do it that much justice when it comes down to how pigmented the actual colors are. When you get this palette, you will know. Do you know what I mean? Yes, they looked very nice and very deep when he showed it on his arm, and you think, oh my god, the pigments are really nice, but really and truly they are another level. They are another level of pigment, and I am shook. I am living for this palette. I had to do it. I had to bring the little Julies. Like, I hope you enjoy all the jewels, all the glitter darlings. I had to do it. I am in awe of this palette. Manny MUA, you're done well, girl. You're done well. I am loving it. I am feeling it. I hope you enjoyed this. It does go into Ruriko's bag of tricks. I'm highly happy with this. Manny MUA, you done so well done. I'm glad I got it from America when I did, so I can review it and give you guys a demo. Oh my god, guys, it's very colorful. I went over the top because this is what this palette can do. It allows you to be very creative in what you want to do. Apart from those two colors that were soft, that's the only thing I can really say. Also, he did say his black wasn't pow in your face, but I found the way that he's done his materials, the way that he's done his actual structure of his colors, they pick up product like a dream. You literally just need to swipe once. I found when I did the black in the beginning, when I tried to recreate this look here, it picked up so much and it was very, very dark. So, you know, he was saying, you know, he didn't want to have a very dark in your face color because once you put the dark on, you're kind of screwed. And it's true what he's saying. You put a dark color when you've done everything else and it doesn't blend out well, or it's too pigmented and it's too in your face, it does ruin your look and it will just fall apart, darling. So I understand where he's coming from, but it was dark. Then he said it was going to be one stroke, but it does blend out well. So even if you do pick up a little bit more product than you should, you can blend it out well. And if you cannot blend it out with just that, you know the trick, honey. Use some loose translucent powder and you mix it in with whatever can't be blended and it will blend out right away. Use that trick for certain things that can't blend, that are just tough colors to blend out. If you use some nice white translucent powder, sweetie, it will blend right out. You just need to have time and patience. So if you do use this palette and you find that any of the colors are too harsh, too much, that is a trick, sweetie, from your girl Ruriko Yamazaki. So what can I say? It's been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here, sweetie. There's nothing that you love and that anybody needs, and I'll catch you, sweetie. Ooh, yes, you, the one that came to the end of the video, your hands with your girl. I'll catch you, honey bunny, on another video. Yes, baby, you should take it.